What's up, y'all? I'm back. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So I'm not going anywhere as far as I know. Like, there's no plans that's being happening today, or that's being happening. There's no plans. I don't have plans, you know? So I'm gonna be here. Today is Sunday and Memorial Day weekend. I have no plans. I'm cool with that. But I kind of just want to make some TikToks, I think. And so I want to put on some brows and some mascara and some lip gloss, because that has been kind of my new go-to little spruce up. So I'm gonna do that without like cutting out all the extra steps. I'm gonna show you how I do my brows, because I've been asked a few times, like, oh my gosh, show me how you do eyebrows. I need you to give me those eyebrows. How do I do my eyebrows? Can you do my eyebrows and not my face, just my eyebrows? So a couple things. Let me just clear up real quick. I can paint your eyebrows on, you know, but I can't do them. Like, I don't wax eyebrows. I get mine waxed, but I don't wax other people's. I don't thread. I don't even use the little tool, the little razor on other people. I've done it on myself though, like, because these brows were a mess. But I did a little some, didn't I? Okay, anyway. This is all, if I say I can do your brows, this is what I can do. Little Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay. I'ma just record me doing my eyebrows, and then check me out on TikTok. Okay, anyway, so I start by brushing them up. That way you have an even line right here. You can see where, like, your natural shape of your brows, where the hair grows. And then you can determine if you want to follow that or make it sharper, make it more, like, give you more of an arch. Do whatever you want. I try to follow my brows though, because thank God I actually was blessed with some nice brows. Shout out to my daddy. And then so brow game has definitely been changing for me, but I've started just brushing the pomade, yes, that's how you say it, through my brows to bring them back down. That way, hopefully it gets in throughout the hair and makes it darker. So literally just filling in the brows. And then, like, my brows are not shaped the same. It's annoying. So I do try to follow their shape, but at the same time, like, one of them, I think this one doesn't have as much of an arch as this one, or opposite, or I messed it up because I literally used a little blade to clean them up the other day. Oh, I was saying I try to match the arch a little bit, because I know one of them is more round than the other. But, like, even without doing all that, like, just filling them in and brushing it through so that the brows lay down, the hairs lay down, look at the difference. Like, yeah, I have nice brows already, but they're thicker. Ma'am, please just do your brows. So brush them up. Maybe I will have to cut, because don't nobody want to hear all that talking. Do your brows. Okay. Oh. So sometimes it just goes haywire, like it's doing right now. Like, this, I don't know what's happening. But
It is what it is. It is what it is.
I don't know what just happened. I'ma just brush it through and then just run this along where you want it to stop, the products to stop and not go all over the place. It's like cleaning it up with concealer, just not concealer, a Q-tip. Now, this is what I'm talking about. So like this one, I just cleaned it up. But see how much thicker and archier it is? I don't like that. So sometimes you just this is what be going on when I cut the video and I pop up with some brows. This what's happening. I'm struggling. It's always a struggle. Sometimes it's not, but like, of course right now it's a struggle. This tail end of my eyebrows on the left is also pretty much non-existent. So I have to draw it on and then make sure it's not too long. So this side is a side that's not as arched. And I always try to make them a little even and like really create that shape. Like draw that line and then draw this line. Fill it in a little more because that side is also always like thicker. That's pretty much it. And then a little of this. I'm trying to create that fade, but like, is it doing anything for real? I don't know. Makes me feel good though, so. So, that's brows. I'm yelling, I'm sorry. Yeah, but seriously, that's it. And then a little bit of this Lash Blast. That's not what it's called. It's called Lash Sensational. Wow. Did you read the bottle before you started talking? I don't know. I told myself, ooh, maybe I could just do this every morning when I go to work. That way I don't feel so stupid in my uniform. Looking like I'm top flight security of the world, Craig. And then like the morning came and I had no energy. I just couldn't get up. Maybe another time. Maybe we'll try again another time. But this is it. I love it. Very natural looking. Very much enhance your natural beauty. So that's my little spice it up. Little zhuzh it up. Little routine. So if you liked it, you could like it. Maybe comment and say, I like this. Maybe subscribe. You cool, girl, subscribe. You know, a little something like that. I'm done. I'm gonna get out of here. Look at this. I said I was gonna paint it black and it was gonna become a new mole. What else am I doing? I should do it. I should do it because why not? Okay, so I went and got my eyeliner. And I'm gonna just draw on top of it and see if it really do look like a mole. So, the thing is, why did I make it so big? Jeez, I look like Raven on that episode when she was the lunch lady and was throwing meatballs. Stop it. I just wanted to, there. Girl, bye. I gotta go. This is ridiculous. Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all later.